One of the common questions we get is business law designed to protect employers or employees, companies or their investors? Who really is the beneficiary of business law? And the answer is partially it depends on which state's law is in play. So your state of formation generally governs your internal affairs. And on issues with employment, it's generally where the employee is located. So different states, different laws, different philosophies. But all of these laws tend to try to seek a balance. Employers want to have responsive workforces and they want to be able to count on their employees and to protect their trade secrets. Employees, of course, want to be protected from harsh treatment by their employers, from bad working conditions. And so what you'll see is a balancing of those interests. And then on the corporate side, with the owners versus the company, generally those state corporate laws will try to balance the interest of running a business versus allowing the investors to have books and records and rights and see what's happening with the company. So the rights will be slightly different depending on the state, but all of it's reaching a balance. And so what a business owner needs to take away from this is you need to look at the specific laws that are going to apply to you. And this is where you can meet with a lawyer and sit down in advance of taking action in your business and figure out really what it's going to look like. I can tell you employment law is probably more varied than the corporate law. So depending on what your state you're forming in, you may have hard time getting the proper non-competes. You may have very restrictive requirements. A lot of cities are now implementing requirements for paid sick leave or other things. So you need to look at the totality of your circumstances, and this is where business planning comes in. And this is where you can partner with a lawyer that has experience and has familiarity with different locations. You may need more than one lawyer depending on how many locations you're looking at. But you can really build a plan that will save you time, effort, and money in the future. We'd love to hear your questions about business and business law. Feel free to drop them below. But remember, YouTube comments are not confidential, so other people may see your comments. So don't put anything in there that you wouldn't want other people seeing. But if you have general questions, we are often inspired by video ideas from either comments on our page or other things we see on the internet. So please comment and please subscribe to the channel so we can bring you more videos about business and the future of business and business law. Look forward to reading your comments. I'll see you down there very soon.